Take it back. Come on, Joey! That in.
No!
Yes! Good Joey!
For Riverside! Assisted by Brian Magana.
There he goes again.
Come on, Joey. Oy. Take that, Joey. Take that. Go, Joey! Oh, come on, ref.
PK?
Call something.
PK, right?
Yes. Do this.
He's gonna get it.
Some good picks. Hey, Joe, how you doing?
He wants that full ride. Better make it.
Joey Renteria taking the penalty.
Come on, puppy. Oh, get it in! Oh.
Nice.
Yes.
Goal!
Still got it.
The Riverside.
Oh, my Joey.
Joey Renteria. San Bernardino 5, Riverside 3.
Are they doing this for like every single person? Or?
And representing a full ride scholarship to Kansas Wesleyan University from Vista Murrieta High School, Joey Renteria.
What? Wow. What?
My goodness.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for all our VMV
Yes!
players, all our seniors. Wish them the best of luck next year in college. And to keep playing.
That's crazy. Unreal.
My number 17 right there.
Thank you very much. Drive home safely. Have a great night. On behalf of Great Oaks High School and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for coming out tonight.
Kansas Wesleyan. It's a private school.
You too. Have a good night.
Anything Wesleyan.